Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Florita Garden and Poetry. In this video, I will show you how I planted a dwarf snake plant or Sansevieria in a glass bottle. If you like to try making this, you will need a big bottle, activated carbon, a long stick, a funnel, stones and a good potting mixture. My potting mix has 1 part of coco peat and 2 parts of vermicompost. Start putting the potting mix into the bottle using a funnel. Add activated carbon in between to keep the soil healthy and free from insects. Once the bottle is filled at least to 4 inches, shake it gently so that the potting mix settles evenly. Top it with stones or pebbles of your choice. Remove the stones from the center using the stick. Now insert the plant carefully into the bottle. Today I was lucky. In case it falls to the side, you can always fix it with the help of 1 or 2 sticks. Gently press the plant into the potting mix using the stick. Finally, you give the finishing touches. This plant will grow happily in this bottle, and after some time new shoots will appear on the sides and fill the bottle. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification button to see my new videos.